Let's take a look at the characteristics of each country's consumer base. First up is France. They value high quality and design in luxury goods, crafts, fashion, etc.
Wake up!
They have a strong preference for products with proven quality and a love of name brands and a strong sense of aesthetics. However, they're big on getting the basics right. Wearing sneakers with a suit? For the French. The French are very interested in food and drink.
It's so good.
So yummy.
They value food quality, freshness, and the use of local products and are interested in taste and flavor. That's probably why they never put ice in their coffee. Dinner is often eaten a little later. This is because they have an aperitif, a time of casual conversation over a drink before the meal. Annual alcohol consumption per capita is also among the high end of the OECD countries. When making a toast, it is customary to make eye contact with each person individually rather than all at once. Different economic levels also enjoy slightly different cultures. The upper class listens to classical music because the price tag for a classical performance is at least 100 euros. Tennis and horseback riding are also enjoyed by the upper class for the same reason. The lower middle class enjoys cultures such as rap, soccer, and boxing, which is why some French lower middle class people say they can only succeed as a rapper or soccer player. In this way, it is also said that the cultural heritage of each layer reinforces economic class. This has been argued by philosophers such as Pierre Bourdieu, for example. The argument is that outside of the inheritance of real estate, cultural legacies such as manners, music, and artistic appreciation perpetuate class by reinforcing cultural barriers. Next, let's take a look at the consumer base in India.